Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the Serta Perfect Start dual-sided baby crib mattress and toddler mattress, a top choice for parents prioritizing safety and comfort for their little ones. This mattress features a premium, sustainably sourced firm fiber core made from upcycled plastic bottles, ensuring a healthier and longer sleep for your newborn and toddler. Measuring 27.5 inches wide by 52 inches long and less than 6 inches high, it fits standard cribs and toddler beds perfectly. The durable, waterproof vinyl cover makes cleaning a breeze, and with both sides featuring a waterproof cover, you can simply flip the mattress for freshness when transitioning to a toddler bed. Safety is paramount, and this mattress is GREENGUARD Gold certified, meeting or exceeding flammability, lead, phthalate, and CPSIA testing standards, without containing toxic fire retardants. Proudly made in the USA, it comes with a limited 7-year warranty, and its lightweight design and square corners ensure a secure fit and easy sheet changes. So, if you're looking for a mattress that combines safety, sustainability, and convenience, the Serta Perfect Start is the perfect choice for your growing child. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.